Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and building this kit. This is the Optimus Prime Attack Mode model kit from Flame Toys. Now this is an officially licensed, you see here, authentic Transformers product that you can build. Now this is the first of this company's kits that I've bought, so not exactly sure what to expect, but if anything, it looks pretty cool. I do enjoy building Gundams, so when I did see that there was a line of model kits for Transformers, I got really excited and probably will end up collecting all these. Now, only thing that would be kind of cool, but I do understand why they won't do it, is it would be cool to have a model kit that actually transforms. So that'd be kind of fun to do, maybe a different line, but I kind of understand why they probably won't do that. I guess it could be in direct competition to Hasbro's own transforming toys. So, you know, but to me, I think having a kit that you build and transform is probably more of a niche market. So anyway, let's get this guy opened up. Okay, here's the package. Let's get the box open and see what's inside. Little instruction book that's in a sealed bag, along with some stickers here. Depending on where these stickers go, I may or may not use them. And we have 1, 2, 3, whole bunch of runners here. This looks like it's going to be the leg. Clear runners. This is going to be the chest. Kind of give you a little idea of what the size this thing is going to be when it's done. Let's see. I guess these are the polycap pieces. Prime's weapons. And of course this must be all the chest and arm pieces. Hey, let me have this all taken out of its plastic bags, organized, and start building it. Now, I did debate whether or not to build this on a live stream or not, but since this is the kind of really the first video of this kind that I'm putting on the channel, I kind of want to see what the response is first. I mean, I know for a fact that the majority of the views for this channel is Transformers related, even though there are other toy lines that I like to do videos on, but we'll see. Okay, so here is Optimus Prime built up and all completed. Here he does have some extra parts. He has these 2 extra wheels. I'm not sure why, but he has them. I guess if you lose a wheel, you can replace them. So these 2 are here. He has 2 extra hands. These are hands to hold the weapons. You can see over here, he's holding his rifle. and this one to hold his axe over here. And then he has the 2 fists on him that are just closed fists. Now, one personal gripe of mine is I wish the kit came with more hands, or at least an option for articulated hands where you could actually move the fingers on this. I mean, the kit is big enough where I'm pretty sure they could have done it, and I mean in terms of making articulated hands, but yeah, just a minor gripe that there's only 2 sets of hands. It'd be nice if there was a bit more. Now, the build I did is a straight build with very minimal cleaning, very minimal no gluing at all. The only cleaning I did was just to make sure the parts would fit so that they would hold snugly. I may go back and do some gluing on certain parts that I feel are a bit fitted, like the smokestacks here. Couple things that, you know, it is a nice figure. It's very posable in terms of articulation and all, but the overall design is a little too much for my taste. You know, I'm not liking the very small torso, the Gundam-like features of Optimus Prime, which is a little odd since I do like to build and collect Gundam. But when it comes to applying those same features on Optimus Prime, I'm not really liking it. And the other thing that I really don't like is the head. The eyes seem to be a bit too small for the head. I don't know why. Would have been nice though if there was some light piping for it, but minor gripe. But you know, overall, I like the figure. I like the idea behind it. I like now, if I wouldn't want all Transformers to be designed this way, or this design aesthetic to replace the way Transformers are. Definitely though, if I wouldn't mind if it was, if the old Michael Bay movies kind of look like this. That I actually wouldn't mind over what we got before. But that being said, I do prefer the designs that we have for the toys. It's kind of nice to see Transformers in other mediums, like model kits, and see how they are expressed out that way with this type of artistic design. But I may later on go back and glue the pieces, and then after that do a bit more cleanup work on it. But all in all, pretty happy with it. I'm actually looking forward to Starscream. That design is actually a little more closer to Starscream, you know, G1 design, than this Optimus Prime is. But I think there's more kits upcoming, and I believe there were some that were showcased on Toy Fair. I gotta go back and look it up. But yeah, all in all, I like it. It's a pretty big figure though. Here's a deluxe counter punch, so you can see it's pretty big in size. It is bigger than a high grade Gundam. I would say the size is a little smaller than most 1/100 master grade Gundams, but in the 144 scale, this guy is definitely bigger in terms of just the height of the actual figure. And I'm not trying to compare actual scales and stuff, but just the actual physical height of the figure is bigger. The instructions were very easy, nothing really out there, nothing really difficult, which is actually very nice considering some Gundam kits are, I find sometimes to be overly complicated when it's not needed at times. So this was a little bit easier and quicker to build. I think once the stickers are on or some paint dabs, it'll really pop out. Like this area, it's popping out a bit. I just gotta glue it. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.